Hello, welcome again. We are covering a subject theory of machine for civil service main IFS and various gate exam. Now we solve one question based on flywheel in which the input torque is variable and output torque or the torque required is also variable. The variation of input torque is 1500 plus 200 sin theta and the variation of output torque is 1500 plus 200 sin theta. So the flywheel, uh, the input to the flywheel is this and the output to the flywheel is this. So the question is, a certain machine requires a torque of 1500 plus 200 sin theta Newton meter to drive it, where theta is angle of rotation of the shaft. The machine is directly coupled to an engine which produces a torque of 1500 plus 200 sin theta Newton meter. The flywheel and other rotating parts attached to engine has a mass of 300 kg at a radius of gyration 200 mm. If the mean speed is 200 rpm, find the first fluctuation of energy to total percentage fluctuation of speed. So here, first of all, we find out the expression for delta T. So T is delta T is T of engine minus T of machine. So T of engine is this input is this and output is this. So or this. So expression for variable or excess torque is 200 sin theta minus 200 sin theta. So this excess torque will be 0 when we put it equal to 0. Then sin 3 theta will be equal to sin theta, or further solving it will get the value for theta is 0, 135 and 45, and this theta is sorry, here we have used the formula for sin theta, that is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin theta, to solve this equation. So theta comes out as 0, 135, 45. So 45 and 135 are consecutive angles in this expression. So maximum fluctuation of energy can be found out by delta T d theta, and limits are 45 to 135. So this is the expression for delta T, and this is 0 between 45 and 135. So area above or below this 45 and 135 will give the maximum fluctuation of energy. So delta T is 200 sin theta minus 200 sin theta, and 200 you can take out. So that is your sin theta minus sin theta. So that is minus cos theta by 3 integration plus 2 plus sin theta integration is minus sin theta integration is cos theta, and the limits are 135 and 45. So putting these values, we can find out E max, that is 282.84 Newton meter. Okay. So that is your E max. So using the formula of coefficient of fluctuation of speed, that is E max by I omega square, we can find out coefficient of fluctuation of speed also. So that is your E max. I is 300 and K radius of gyration is 200 mm. Sorry, I is mass is 300 and radius of gyration is 200 mm. That is given in the question. That is mass is 300 kg and radius of gyration is 200 mm, and omega is corresponding to 200 rpm. That is 2 pi l by 60. So that will come out as 20.945. So and E max is this. So from this, the coefficient of fluctuation of speed comes as 0.0537 or 5.37.